Welcome. Today, I'm going to guide you through how to change the sharing screen in a group video chat on the Telegram app for PC using the latest update. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once the app is up and running, navigate to the group where you want to share or change the screen in the video chat. Next, open the video chat within that group. You can do this by selecting the video chat icon at the top right corner of the group chat window. This will bring you into the active video chat session. After you're in the video chat, look for the sharing icon. This is the first icon on the left side of the screen's control bar. Click on this sharing icon to open the screen sharing options. Now comes the important part, changing the screen. When you click on the sharing icon, you will see a list of available screens or windows that you can share. You can choose either your entire desktop screen or a specific application window depending on what you want to show your group participants. Once you've selected the screen or window you want to share, click the Share Screen button to begin broadcasting that content within the group video chat. If you want to switch to a different screen later during the call, just repeat this process. Click the sharing icon again, select a new screen or window, and click Share Screen. This allows you to seamlessly switch what your group sees without ending the video chat. And that's it. Changing the sharing screen during a group video chat on Telegram's PC app is straightforward and flexible, letting you share exactly what you need quickly and clearly. Keep in mind, when you share your screen, others in the group will see everything on that display or window, including notifications, so it's best to prepare your screen in advance. Enjoy your video chats with screen sharing on Telegram.